Hi guys, in this video we will disassemble the headlight on Mercedes. For this we need to unscrew a few bolts and then remove the headlight. This is a headlight housing and it's attached with this bolt, and this one. Also there is one bolt here. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss a new notification of new video. Here, friends, there's a latch. You need to remove it and get the headlight washer plugs. Now guys, can easily remove the headlight, but before that you need to disconnect the electric wires. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.